Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Wallpaper Engine use less RAM. Now if I go ahead and open up my task manager, as you can see, this is the RAM being consumed by Wallpaper Engine for this specific wallpaper. Now to make it use less RAM, you can go ahead and do a couple of things. One is to just use a wallpaper that consumes less RAM. For example, this one is a video, 119 megabytes. If I change to this one, for example, it's just a scene with 3 megabytes. So this one will consume way less RAM. If I can show you right here, as you can see, it has drastically reduced. Now this one right here, if you want to reduce the RAM from that, you can come here to settings, and then you can just go ahead and scroll down where you see quality. You can use one of these presets as well, but ideally you just reduce the FPS around 15 to 30, and you can also reduce these as well. You can choose a preset, and now if I go ahead and click on OK and we come back here, it will use way less RAM. This will keep going down. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.